Now this year, we have increased the size of the gear that we tow. The boat is now 7.2 metres and the caravan is 19 foot. There's no way I'd feel safe towing the loads that we tow without my Clearviews. A standard flat surface mirror only gives the driver the vision of 310mm out from the vehicle. Clearview mirrors add an extra 100mm and an extra 200mm when at full extension. The top mirror is a flat surface with a large face for accurate reflection and distance perspective. And the lower mirror is convex to give a wider view for towing and highway driving.
Travelling through this really tight track, keep bashing my mirrors in on trees every 5 minutes. See? I've had 4 vehicles now on different trips with Clearview mirrors on them, and that has happened to me so many hundreds of times, and I have not broke one. They are all time.
We've been using Clearview mirrors for years. We won't go anywhere without them.